You are not doing well. You are not doing well. Did you hear that?
What's that?
The cry of babies.
It's true.
Where is it coming from?
From you.
Please don't shake. Jesus Christ! Took you so. What is wounded in the eye?
Yes, come. We need to help them.
What are you saying? Help who? Eh?
No,
I don't want trouble, Chidere. Please, I don't want trouble. Ali, stop and let's go and help them now. Let's go before people will think that we are the one that did this. So no. I don't want problem because I don't want trouble. At least these innocent children need our help. We need to help. Chidere, it's an amount so bold.
Augusta. Augusta! 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 Who is that stupid? Augusta!
There's no salt in the soup.
I already added salt, ma.
You added again? Added what salt? Oh, this tasteless. Eh? If you dare lie to me one more time, I will slap the living daylight out of your eyes. Come on, go add salt, Osisa. Also, I added salt. Next time you lie to me, what you can say, idiot. Come on, add salt, Osisa. Oh, see it. Nonsense.
She hates me. I know she does. Do you know that she's planning to marry me off?
What?
Yes.
Marry you out? To who?
Don't know. She says the man asking for my hand in marriage stays overseas and his father will be doing the marriage rites.
So what will happen to your education if you get married?
I suggest you report to our English teacher.
Welcome. Your father-in-law will be here this weekend to perform your marriage rites.
Mama, what have I done wrong? Why are you doing this to me?
You know what to do. Augusta, I'm doing you a favor. Not just a favor, a huge favor. Your father-in-law promised to sponsor your education through to university level before sending you to Obodo Oyibo to meet your husband. Eh? Are you blind? Can't you see? Don't you want to go to Obodo Oyibo? Eh?
How am I even sure what you're telling me is true?
Mua. You are calling me. You are calling me. Augusta, you are calling me. You are calling me. You are calling me. A liar. A liar. A liar. You are calling me. You are calling me. Stop. Stop. What is it happening? Leave me. What is it? I want to teach this ungrateful idiot a lesson of her life.
Stop it. Why are you hitting her? What did she do to you? Augusta. Augusta.
Idiot. No, go down man and name reformer. Ungrateful idiot. Augusta, come and finish washing this plate, though. Yes, come and finish it, though. I don't know something in there. Come and finish it, though. In-law, my in-law. My in-law. All these promises for me. Ha. Yeah. I can't wait, oh, I can't wait. Okay. Oh, my in-law, I'm expecting you. I'm expecting you. Okay. Bye, my in-law. Mom, who was that? Oh, that was Mama.
Mom, tell a lie. I heard your conversation.
Give me message.
Mom.
So what?
You want to get Augusta married. Who knows? It might be my turn tomorrow.
Never. That will never, ever happen. Yes. Our in-law promised to send you and Augusta to the university. What do you want to go to the university?
I want to go.
Hey, not just that. You also promised to be sending us money every month for our upkeep. I need regional for not a chicken.
Are you sure?
I look like I'm joking. I'm very, very sure. You also promised to send money for you to enroll in private school.
Are you sure? So I want to stop wearing that uniform. I don't like it.
Be happy. Or are you not happy?
I'm happy.
Be happy.
Thank
Be
you.
happy.
By this time tomorrow, I'll be leaving my mother's house to a place I've never been to unknown.
You mean your mom is still bent on giving your hand out for marriage?
I suggested we report out to our English teacher, but you were against it. Now you're getting married tomorrow. That's your mother. She's so mean.
This is serious.
There's nothing to categorize her acts. She's so evil.
We need to do something. We really need to do something. We need to talk to someone about this. We need to do something.
What can we do?
We need to talk to somebody. We need to. Let's just look for someone and talk to.
Like I said before, you have nothing to worry about. Augusta is my daughter, and she have no option than to do my bidding. Bam! Only trust us.
That is why I trust you. But for that, take it. Nenka will have this. All for you.
All this for me?
Yes.
Hey! Ogobuchi onye! Ogobuchi onye! Ogobuchi onye!
More are still coming. You will get more of this every month. If you keep to your part, I keep to my part.
Every month?
Yes.
As in August, September, October, November.
Ogobuchi
onye!
Nyana omuwa.
Ogobuchi onye! Ogobuchi onye! Thank you so much. My in-law. She's ready. Augusta, my daughter. I believe I can count on your good morals. Respect your father-in-law. Is that clear?
I trust you. I hope she will be a good girl. To my son.
Of course.
And the wife to my son.
Don't look at her face. She's shy.
She'll be a good wife. She'll be a good wife. No problem. Let us be going. We are still going on a far job.
Augusta, I'm going to miss you.
My dear, let's go.
Bye bye, no. You don't want to. Bye bye, no. Hey, thank God.
Mom, are you sure Augusta is happy? Because from her look, she doesn't look happy.
What do you mean you sure Augusta is happy? Who told you she's not happy? Who told you she's not happy? Her mood is normal. It's normal. Listen, when I got married to your late father, I felt so bad because I was leaving my family to his family. It's normal. It's normal for a girl to feel bad whenever she's leaving her family to another family. Huh? No, the former.
Sir, what are we doing here?
What are we doing here? What sort of question is that? This is my house. Your new home, of course.
Your house?
Oh, because it's looking unkept. Don't worry. Now that you are here, you will take care of the house. Hi back. Up go doku. But I'm inside.
Why is your face like that? Okay.
Mom, how are we going to pay my school fees? Don't you start driving us for school fees?
Because of your school fees. Our in-law has promised to send your school fees next week. Onyeke na baro baby. I beg you, smile. We continue watching.
Mom, that Miss Augusta will be enjoying your garden.
Not just enjoying your sister is really enjoying. And I'm very sure right now she must have realized why the choice was the
Now I see the clear picture.
Better. I can never ever make a bad decision for my children. Never.
Mom, are you sure we're going to pay my school fees next week?
Don't you trust me? Our in-law. Oh no. He will send the money next time. He will send it. You go inside. I don't know what to drink.
What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you like them? What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all?
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, my dear. Have this. And my son sent this to you.
Oh, sir, this is very beautiful and expensive.
Of course, you can see that again.
I like it.
Of course, you can see that again.
So, sir, when can I speak with your son on the phone? Or when is he coming back?
Don't worry. Soon, you will get to meet with him. But go inside and try this on you first. Try those dresses on you. I know you will like them.
Chidere, hey, you can't even visit. No, how the mama? No. How is your family?
Fine, and you?
How is Ruth and Augusta? Oh, well, Ruth is fine. She has gone to school. And Augusta, she's now married.
Married? To who?
To her husband, nah. She's married to her husband.
Alice, when last did you visit the hospital for a checkup?
What's that supposed to mean?
Because it's obvious you're not feeling fine. You're not okay. I want the roggy.
Chine. Dimpa wanye rakam. Kiss him that I'm not feeling fine, that I look sick. Do I look sick to you? Do I look sick to you? It's you that is sick. What? Don't insult me. You check by them again sign. You never sign. You check by them. Can you mean by when last time did you visit a hospital? Take your time on.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? What's that supposed to mean? You hear a Maggie? You hear a Maggie watching you? You hear a Maggie?
You're a disgrace, Alice.
To yourself.
You're not even ashamed of yourself. What are you saying?
Why should I be ashamed of myself? That's Augusta, my daughter, is married. She's married. Is she not again?
Did you marry at her age?
Yes, I did. I did, Guinea man.
Anyway, I'll personally report you and go to jail for this.
Hey, Chinyere, please don't report me. Oh yeah, go more. No go never in a tomb. Help, what to more Chinyere.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out, see. You will report me and you go to jail. If I go to jail, you will follow me to jail. Neighbor, I hear she at toilet. Because you are equally guilty. You're the guilty.
I will report you.
You are guilty as well. Report me. Stupid. Report card. Next time I see you in my house, could you see a nonsense. Eba apostle chi na aka yiwe. Waka, chirikwa eba anoman. Bia be mebiri mmadu mood.
Another person if they do it to you.
It's a miracle nam.
Alice. My brother's wife. Rumor has it that you have given Augusta's hand in marriage. I don't know how true that is. That's why I come to confirm from you.
Good, you said it.
Oh yes.
So it will not be confirmed.
But you know, in every rumor there is an atom of truth. Huh? Why is the Augusta now? Why is she? Why is she?
Mazebuka, may I remind you that Augusta is my daughter.
I do know. It's our daughter. I do know that.
So, if I decide to give her out for marriage, it's none of your business. Augusta.
Okay, see the one.
Oh, can see the one.
Fine. Good. Oh my God. Eh?
Oh my God.
That is exactly what I want to hear.
And you have heard what you want to hear. Now you cannot leave my compound.
But let me tell you, the gods of this land will definitely punish you. My late brother will not forgive you for doing this.
And the same gods of this land will definitely punish you too. And your late brother, my late husband, will also not forgive you for abandoning us. Because Sarah supposed to...
Can you hear yourself?
Yes!
Can you hear yourself?
Very, very well.
Taking pride in evil.
Because my compound of poor people.
Don't worry. Umunna will hear this. I will definitely bring you out in Umunna. This will judge this.
Call on those too. Add in those, all of them. Tell them.
I will leave.
Leave.
Iga kwaru.
Uncle Salo, ma kwaru.
Ina kuya ne.
Bia burumu.
Iga takute konkere.
Mo so konkere. Tell them. Obo so konkere. Obo Salo kan ma pe bunye ga gbara yi. To kwa sare gi ya ofuzu okoko na enu ya. I don't blame you. Kita ke mo ze sabata this compound. Nonsense and ingredients. Rumor has it. Rubbish.
What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you like them? What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all? If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it.
Yes, what is it? Are we quarreling?
Yes, we are. Your mom has committed unspeakable offense, and for that, you and your mom has been stigmatized. Look at you. You're happy attending expensive private school.
Is that the issue? Asim, is that the issue? You conspired with your mother and sold Augusta out for slavery.
My mom didn't sell my sister. My sister is probably enjoying the best life could offer, and she's traveling to America soon.
Do you think we are stupid to be brainwashed just as your mom has brainwashed you? No.
Now let me ask you, since Augusta left this town, have your mother gone to visit her?
Answer that question and stop looking like monkey licking limes. Answer the question.
The truth remains that you and your mother have sold Augusta out for slavery.
My mom didn't sell my sister.
What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you like them? What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all? If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. Don't do it, yo, repent it. If you can't take it, yo, if you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. If they do it to you, you no go like them, don't do one to person. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. If you no go like them, at all, don't do one to another person. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it.
What is it?
Mom, when are we going to see Augusta?
Why today of all days? Eh? Why today of all days? What is it? Augusta. Okay.
It's obvious Mazebuka wants to see this. Omade kwama o. Omade kwama. Why did you allow him to promotion?
Mom, I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't see Mazebuka today. I missed Augusta and I want to see her. Mom, you're not saying anything. Mom!
Your story has changed. Augusta, she's no more Augusta.
What do you mean by what I am doing? Huh? I am doing what husbands do to their wives. What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Listen, let me tell you. You are married to me. Yes. You are married to me and not to my son. I don't have a child. Neither a son living overseas. It was an agreement between your mother and I paid her heavily for you to be my wife. So get that into your dirty skull now.
But my mother did not tell me anything of such.
Yes, I am telling you now that you are my wife and you have a responsibility. Come on! Come on! No! Come on! Help me! My dear, stop crying. What I did is normal. I am your husband, and you are my wife.
I will never be your wife. I am not your wife.
No problem. Just get inside the bathroom. Get yourself cleaned up. Get into the kitchen. Prepare a nice dish for me. You know what I want. are you doing? Huh? Huh?
I don't want to do it again. And if you want to touch me, I will shout. I will shout.
Listen to me for your information. You're only the one in the compound. Nobody will hear you. It's better you come. Come.
Help!
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 Help me!
Help me!
Help me!
Help me!
All I come to do is help. Help! Help me!
Your mom, who is engineering this whole marriage plan, should at least ask to see the man's son's picture.
She says I'm not in any position to ask her that. I've heard so many cases of old men coming to marry young girls. Under pretense, most parents will allow this because of self-gain. Meanwhile, they've sold their children to everlasting pain, torture, and abuse.
Shame on such parents who will allow their children to undergo abuse, or even abusing their children by themselves in the name of poverty. Poverty is not an excuse. It's not enough reason to abuse a child. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do now. I'm sorry. What is poverty?
Mother, why? Mother, why have you done this to me? Why? Marry me off to an old man.
Didn't you hear when I was calling you? Huh? Didn't you hear? You're thinking about that better come up with you. Yes, sir. Get up. Listen to me. I am your master. I bought you with my hard-earned money from your miserable greedy mother. They're your stupid mother. Listen to me. I can sleep with you anywhere, anyhow, and anywhere I want. When next you prove stubborn, I will kill you. Mad of worry.
I don't want to do.
You don't want to do it? It's again. Come on. You don't want to do it. I am Pinogo. You can finish it. Yeah. I am Pinogo. You like the police and go. Welcome to Aba. Where are you going with my baby? Where do you think you are going with my baby?
Please let me go. I promise to never come back.
Let you go to where? The only way you can go to is heaven, or you go inside this house and never come out. Listen, do you know how much I collected from the microfinance bank on behalf of you and your mother? Do you know how much I spent so far on your mother's head? That's your greedy mother. Just to allow your mother to convince you to be my wife. Do you know? Listen to me. And you are here. Do you know you are my investment?
But why me? Why did you choose to destroy my life? Why me? Why have you chosen me?
Yes, that is Netflix. Or probably Rock TV. Take it, why me? Take it, why me? Why me, Nazagine? Listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Any day you step your feet out of this compound and I get you, I will not only kill you, I will bury you in a place where no one will find your remains. Do you hear? Get inside. Get inside. Prepare something for me.
No.
Gene.
I can't do this no more. I want to go.
With my pregnancy. Have you forgotten you are my investment? This thing you are doing is just African magic. You are doing Riazao. I'm not here to act film with you. Yeah, but I'm inside.
No, I can't.
Ilandigo. You must finish what you have started. But I'm inside. Ilandigo. You must finish what you started. But I'm inside.
Mother, why did you do this? Mother, what is this? What have I done to deserve this? Did I really do anything to deserve this kind of life? This was not what you told me. sold me out to a man that is old enough to be my father. This is not what he told me. I need an explanation. I deserve an explanation, Mother. Why me? Why me?
What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you like them? What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all? If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. Don't do it, yo, repent it. If you can't take it, yo. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. If they do it to you, you no go like them, don't do one to person. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. If you no go like them, at all, don't do one to another person. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. You made somebody to cry because of your wickedness.
My investment.
And you're married in your mother. And in your gallery, Nanya Kagi, organic in be careful, no one.
Listen to me carefully. I am your husband. I paid heavily to your mother to have allowed you to marry me. I paid heavily to have allowed your mother to convince you to be my wife. Even the loan I collected from the bank, I'm still paying after now. So let me tell you, anytime you stress me or go against my rule of sleeping with you, I will strangle you. Strangle you. I will strangle you. Strangle you. Don't mess up with me. Very good. Come on. Let it sing that way. Come on. You're my investment. You must do as I said.
Ruth, if it's about Augusta, Biko, I'm not ready to discuss this with you. I'm not ready.
Mama, this is the problem. Eh? Whenever I raise the issue of Augusta up, you are never ready to talk about it. Mama, it's been 10 years. 10 solid good years. We've not seen nor heard from Augusta. And you always pretending as if all is well. Mama, what is really going
Ruth, shut that your mouth before I shut it for you. Allow me to think. Allow me to think it. Okay?
Mama, you better think. Better think and think real fast.
Where will I start in searching for Augusta and Mazu Gochuku? I don't even know where they live in the city. Ha! Gochuku Samson, you have deceived me again. You long stop sending me my monthly allowances we both agreed upon. How foolish and greedy I was. I was so carried away by hatred for Augusta that I even forgot to ask for the address of where Ugochukwu lives in the city. Ugochukwu, it will never be well with you. Anomano.
You know go like them, don't do one to person. If you won't like it, don't do it. Because remember, if you no go like
Ugochukwu! Ugochukwu! My tummy! Help me! Help me! I think the baby is coming out! Please help me! Please!
Please shut up and keep quiet.
Please! Ugochukwu, help me! Please! Please help me! Take me to the hospital! The baby is coming out! Ugochukwu! Hey! Help me, please! Oh God!
Now you can agree with me that you are useless by giving birth to a baby girl who will grow up and become useless like you. Listen, let me tell you. You better find a way to pay me every time I spent on you and the nurse that came to attend to you. If not, you will see the other side of me. Go bless you.
What kind of a man are you? What kind of a husband are you? You are very shameless. You left this house since morning without minding what I and my daughter will eat. You are coming back home looking stupid and drunk.
What is your problem, this woman? I have told you time without number that you and that thing you call daughter can never be my problem. Allow me to breathe. Allow me to breathe. Allow me to breathe.
Don't worry, my daughter. I'll find something for you to eat, okay? Good morning, sister.
Good morning. Is there a problem? Why did you stop me?
Please, can you assist me financially? My daughter has not eaten since morning.
Seriously?
Don't get it twisted. I'm not a beggar.
You're not? Well, you just asked for a financial assistance from me.
Never mind. Sorry.
Hey, wait. Is that your child?
Yes.
Are you married? Never mind. I actually came around to see someone, but do you think we can hang out? We can talk. Yeah. It's okay. We'll just talk, nothing much. You can come in. It's fine. Come in. So you just don't be under the sun. So yeah.
Thank you so much for everything. God bless you.
It's okay. Bless you too. Amen.
But what am I going to do with all this money?
Okay. You can buy something for your daughter with it. She's so cute.
Thank you so much. You are God sent to my life. Thank you.
It's okay.
I really appreciate this. God bless you for us.
That's fine.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Promise, let's go down.
Just take care of yourself, okay? And take care of your daughter.
I will.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Be careful.
I will.
I'm going to ask you for the very last time. Where did you get the money you used in buying those things I saw in your room.
You think I'm afraid of you? I have seen the worst of you. In fact, I have seen all of you. I am not afraid anymore.
I can see that you have now grown wings now. Grown wings? Talk back at me. Janet?
Look, over the years, you humiliated me, maltreated me, abused me, molested me. You treated me like a prisoner. You raped me without conscience, beat me without pity. What more can you possibly do to me? Answer me!
I will do more worse thing. Because you're my property. And my investment. Allow me to breathe. Allow me to breathe. Janet, I'm talking to you.
What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all? If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent. Don't do it, yo, repent. If you can't take it, yo. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent. If they do it to you.
We have had our bitter experiences in that. I was raped by my stepfather.
After the death of my father, my uncle promised me heaven on earth. But he never fulfilled that promise. He raped me and finally chased me out of the house.
My goodness.
She's right. I was also a victim of same circumstances.
We are not here to bore you with our sad stories. We are only here to help you. That's if you're willing to help yourself.
I really want you girls to help me. But can I ask a question?
Do you really want to know what we do?
Do you? We are corporate entrepreneurs. We collect and never give in return.
Corporate entrepreneurs. What does it mean?
We go after men with cash. We collect and never give in return. We induce them and take all their money. That was what I meant by we collect and never give in return.
Now that you know what we do for a living, if you must join us, there are rules and regulations that you must abide by.
Which is?
Do you really want to join us?
Do you?
It's like you girls are not ready to help me.
So here's the plan. You're going to take your baby to the orphanage. And secondly, you're going to kill that man you call a husband.
I thought you wanted to help me.
Yes, Augusta. We want to help you. But in this line of business, there is no distraction. And your baby and husband could be your distraction and downfall. And that is obviously what we don't want. We help you make money, gain your freedom. You're a beautiful girl. And you've told us several times on how your husband maltreated you and even forced you to get married to you against your will. Right?
Don't throw my pains to my face. I cannot do what you're asking of me.
I can see that you're not serious. But let me warn you. Whatever we discuss here must remain a secret. Else, I will come for you.
She's right about that. Here's my card. Have it. Call me when you're ready.
And where are you coming from? Leaving that thing you call daughter all by herself, crying like a pussycat.
She was sleeping when I left the house.
Listen to me, woman. Tell me where you're coming from this minute. Else, I will separate your jaw with my fist.
I went to a nearby church to pray.
Where's your Bible? Don't test my patience. Where is your Bible?
I pray with Bible. Please, I'm tired, but I need to rest. Besides, I need to see my baby.
Leave me now! What is it? Please, I don't have time for this nonsense, though. Just leave me alone, please.
Come again! Come on!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone now! What do you mean about this rubbish?
Lack of mind.
Leave me! Oh, she stress me all the time.
I'm going on, son! Go away! Go away! Where did you go? Listen to me. You're going nowhere. You're my property. Your greedy, miserable mother sold you outrightly to me. You're going nowhere.
That is why I'm going to see her. I want her to look me in the face and tell me the offense I committed to her. I want to know why she sold me out to you.
You are the most world biggest fool to have believed in your subconscious mind that Alice is your mother. She picked you up by the bush. That is why she sold you out. Yes,
you are a liar.
Why will I lie to a worthless human being like you? You're nobody. Nobody. That's why she sold you out. That's why she sold you out. You're going nowhere.
Let me go now. What is the meaning of this? Go, leave me! Promise. 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 Oh my goodness. What have you done? Promise. 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 What have you done? Promise. 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 Promise.
Ifonye metalobulu. What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you like it? What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all? If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent it. Don't do it, yo, repent it. If you can't take it, yo. If you won't like it, don't do it.
I killed him. I killed him.
And your daughter?
I abandoned her in an orphanage home. She's badly wounded.
Everything will be just fine.
You will be fine. You will be fine.
My child.
From this moment, you shall be called Melissa. That is your new identity.
Melissa. Not bad.
Thank you so much, boss. I am so happy. In fact, I found a family in you all.
Good, because you have a new assignment. And this is going to be your very first assignment. And that is your target.
Who is he? What am I going to do with him?
You don't need his identity. All you need is his money. And you'll also be needing
But I don't know how to handle a gun.
there is always a first time for everything. And I don't
No,
think
no,
there will
no,
be a problem using it. Gabriela will guide you.
I got you.
I was highly informed that your target came into town with foreign currencies. A lot of it. And he needs a girl to have fun with. He needs a woman. He's in town to score a multinational deal with a company. That is where you come in.
Okay, so I just go and collect the money?
Don't be a dummy. Like I said, Gabriela will guide you. Your target is in room 101.
Looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful than what I saw in the picture. Right choice indeed. As a matter of fact, you won't be leaving tomorrow by dawn as earlier scheduled. If you are ready to stay 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, just name it. I'll facilitate the money. Come on to daddy.
Melissa, what's up? You're supposed to be celebrating to the success of your first assignment.
Why kill him? Killing was never in the plan.
Killing him has always been the plan.
What happens to his lifeless body? What if the hotel management involved the law enforcement agency? They have CCTV cameras in the hotel. We could easily be recognized and I would be arrested.
Ever since you killed your husband, have you been arrested? Whatever you think happened a few hours ago has already been taken care of. Listen, as for the law enforcement agency and the CCTV cameras, I have taken care of everything. Just as I took care of your husband's lifeless body.
How? When?
Melissa, I am always ahead of my game. Police not your friend only when you get money. Melissa, I commend your boldness. You have successfully carried out 20 of your assignments without no trace. Well done.
Thank you, boss. I'm honored.
Lucia and Gabriella have done well too. Well done.
Thank you.
Like I was saying, our last operation didn't go well as planned. Yes, it has raised a lot of attention from the state and the national level. So I advise we stay low for now till I can figure everything out.
I said it. I knew it. Killing was never the plan.
Oh, please come off it. I had to do that. Yes, I had to kill him.
I never ordered you to kill.
Boss, I needed to do that. I mean, to cover our tracks.
Understood. But don't you ever go against my orders again.
Yes, boss.
Hello? Yes. Thank you.
What's your problem? Why are you stressing my life? I said I am not interested. I don't talk to strangers and you're still bugging me.
Hey, come on. I mean no harm.
And who says I'm scared of you?
Right, thank you. Come on, hey, relax. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. Can I go now?
Not so fast. Do you mind me having your number or at least tell me your name?
I mind. And I'll be polite here. Stay off my back.
Hey, come on. Not even your name, even if you don't want to give me your number. Please let me know your name. Hey, like I said, I don't bite. Yeah, like I told you before. I'll call you back. Hey, come on, we'll meet again. Hey, stop. Why are you frowning? Come on, losing yourself. Stop being uptight. Talk to me.
Do you know you're embarrassing me? Huh? People might be watching us. Are you aware of that?
Who cares? Hey, let them watch. Listen to me. Let them watch me talking to a beautiful woman. You're beautiful. Look at you. Elegant.
Who are you? Did they send you to me?
Why would you say such a thing? Who was? Hey, come on, stop. Give me time. I want to talk to you, please. All I'm asking for is just give me time.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, come on, go on. I'm listening.
You don't know me. You being around me is dangerous for you.
What? that makes it better. Hey, yes. I love dangerous game. It makes it better. Who cares if it is? See, babe, come on. I'm not one of those boys who run after women. Yes. But there is something in me. Babe, listen. I'm not asking for too much, okay? All I want is just for you to give me time to talk to you. Meeting you here is not mystic. It's divine. We're meant for each other. Come on, let's know each other better. I mean... Oh, excuse me 1 minute.
Melissa, what troubles you?
So many lines going through my head. I don't even know which to deliver first.
I notice you've not been yourself for quite some time now. Are you okay?
Please, I've told you to stop dwelling on the past. There's really nothing there to remember. It hurts.
In as much as I try to forget, I can't. These memories keeps coming back, hitting me so hard. I can't even wave it off.
Listen, girl. If we all had dwelled in our past, we won't be where we are today. Just let it go. Put it down. Please. Stop thinking about it. It's only going to hurt you. Please.
I have to call my mother.
What you did to another person, if they do it to you, will you take them all? If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent. Don't do it, yo, repent. If you can't take it, yo. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent. If they do it to you, you no go like them, don't do them to person. If you won't like it, don't do it, because repent. If you no go like them,
another hits jam for Wept and its calm.
Hello? Who is this, Biko?
This is Augusta.
Augusta? Augusta, why are you talking like that? I can't lie to you now.
Don't lie to me. No wonder you never recognized my voice. The blood that flows through our veins is not the same. I was picked by the bushman. Tell me. Gochukwu told me everything.
Hmm.
You are not my mother, and I'm not your daughter. Tell me the truth.
Biko, tell me, how did you get my number?
Like I said, I got your number from the Jews.
Okay. I should tell your sister what?
Then I'm coming to pick her up.
Okay. I will tell her.
Oh. Mama, who called you? Eh? Who are you talking with on the phone?
You won't believe it. Augusta. Augusta! Ah! Mama! Augusta called you. Ah! Where is she? Mama! I'm going to Chinyere's house. I have a message for her. Give my phone. Augusta called! I don't know why you are still angry for something that happened years back. Eh? Chinyere is okay. Now who's going now? Meanwhile, I'm here to deliver a message. Augusta called me.
What happened? What did she say?
I don't even know how she got my number. According to her, she said she got it from Ugochukwu's phone. She said I should tell her sister.
Mama, who are you with? That's my daughter.
friend. It's my friend Alice.
Auntie, welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
My princess.
Yes, ma.
Do you remember I told you that you have a sister?
Yes, you told me. Is she here? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
She's not here.
She's not here.
Yes, she's not here. She called me on phone and said that she's coming to pick you up. Yes.
Today?
No, not today. She didn't tell me when. No. She said I should tell you to prepare. She's coming to pick you up.
Hey, Mama, I can't wait to hold her. I can't wait to see my sister. Tell her that I want to see her today. I want to see my sister.
My princess, don't worry. One day you hold her. Okay?
Okay. Hey, I can't wait to see her. I want to touch her face. I want to feel her.
I am Miri, oh God, come to my rescue.
Hey! Me. A whole me. Ugochukwu. Chineke ya kpogo oku Ugochukwu. A whole me. Kine charanya deceive Ugochukwu, you deceived me. You deceived me Ugochukwu. God will punish you. Punish you and punish you Ugochukwu.
Okay, mechego onu ka ino ge here. Who deceived you? Can you swear on this ground you are marching that you are truly deceived? Can you? We all know your history and that of Ugochukwu in this community. Now I'm beginning to believe the whole story. Can you imagine the torture and the pain Augusta went through all these years? It never occurred to me it was Ugochukwu Augusta was with all these years. Hey!
So what I thought was rumor is true, Mama. Mama. Let me understand. So Ugochukwu was your ex-lover? And you have the guts to sell Augusta to him under the pretense that she's marrying Ugochukwu's son. Mama, how cruel and wicked can you be?
Your mother here has never been a good wife to your late father. At all. I wish I can lay my hand on that he-goat that called himself Ugochukwu and squeeze and strangle life out of him. Hi.
Mama, why this?
Rhodes, this way you're looking at me like this, you don't recognize me?
Augusta!
That's me.
Augusta!
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's been a while, oh. Where are you headed?
I'm going to see Auntie Chinyere.
Who's she?
The woman that is taking care of your sister Precious.
Oh my goodness. Precious is with her?
Yes.
That's why I came. I came to take Precious to the city.
Are you sure?
Yes. Get into the car. Let's go to where she is.
Oh. There's a problem.
What's the problem?
Precious is blind.
Oh, well, I don't. Okay, fine. Yes, it's fine. At the same time, I'm not fine. Worried. What? Are you serious? Yeah, congratulations. Is it congratulations to say? Or okay, I'm happy. Good news. Yes. All right. Yeah, it's lunchtime. I'm about going for lunch. Yeah. So, when am I going to see your sister? Okay, very good. Don't forget one thing. I love you. Someone is there loving you. There's so much more. All right.
Augusta, is that you?
Yes. I got you juice there.
Thank you. I wish I could see your face.
Look, you were not born blind. Okay? You have done numerous checkups. I am hopeful that someday you see again. In fact, very soon you'll see again, okay?
But Augusta, considering the money involved for the surgery, it's on the high side.
Precious, allow me worry about it. Look, I don't mind spending my last money on you as long as you regain back your sight. One more thing.
Yes.
Don't call me Augusta. Call me Melissa. I've told you before.
Sorry. My apologies, Melissa. Melissa, what do you do to make money? I mean, what do you do with your friends to make money? What do you do for a living? I need answers. I've been asking you this, but you've been dodging my question. Tell me, please.
Take your yogurt.
Here we go again. You always find a way to skip my question. Can you just tell me?
Can you take your yogurt?
Boss, are you saying you're not going to do anything? Because ever since she came into this house with her sister, all she does is take care of her. And that is pure distraction.
Look, there is no cause for alarm. There is none. Trust me, I will handle it, okay? Let's go inside.
Yeah, I just saw you after that. Yeah, she must be Precious, right?
Yes.
I guess so.
Precious. This is the guy I told you about, Stephen.
Oh. Obviously I can't see you, but from your voice, you're a good person. I can feel it. And he's a good person. Yeah?
Oh,
nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you also.
Thank you.
Yeah, someone once told me blind people, even when they can't see, they can even tell who you are from your voice. I just confronted. Wow! Nice meeting you.
Thank
You're
you.
a very beautiful woman.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Oh, babe, come on. Where are you heading to?
We're going to see a friend of mine.
All right, let me drop you off.
Okay, thank you.
So, drop you off. So how are you? How's the day? Guys, everybody? How's Mama? How is All right. Good up. Right after that. Okay. All right then. So babe, what's up? Okay. You didn't call me. You should have called me. Let me come pick you at home. Huh? You smell nice. Oh, okay. So Precious, welcome to the city. Oh, nice meeting you.
Who was that dropped you off?
A friend.
He or she?
He.
What do you think you're doing? Do you have a problem?
I don't have a problem. Why are you interrogating me?
Because you're going against the rule, girl.
I never went against any rule. He offered me a lift. I never told him I live here.
That means you have met him before today.
Yes, a while ago.
Melissa, you're trading on a path of destruction. And if precautions are not taken, it will consume you. I am trying to condole your sister's distraction. And here you are trying to bring another one.
But boss, my sister has never been a distraction.
Yet. And that is why I am taking it calmly with her. Do not take my calmness for stupidity.
But no, Melissa. If you touch her by mistake, Augusta, you will die by correction. But no, Melissa.
Auntie. Ruth. Auntie. How are you? Auntie, I'm fine. How's your mom?
My mom is good. See, Auntie, I came to see if there's anything I can do for you.
Oh, Mom, Chai. Ruth, that is so thoughtful of you. I'm so happy that you are here today. Franca was there yesterday, so this morning I sent her to the market to go and buy stuff for me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So have you eaten?
Yes, I've eaten.
Okay.
I've eaten.
Here she comes.
Auntie,
I'm back.
You're welcome.
Ruth, you're here. You're here.
You're welcome, yeah.
Thank you. Auntie, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Take that by the side.
Okay.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Auntie, she's such a nice girl.
Yes. She has been a helping hand to me.
Look at her. Auntie, hope you do take care of yourself.
Sure.
But there's other thing I can do for you.
Don't bother yourself.
How about washing your clothes?
No.
Do your dishes.
Ruth, stop!
Okay, if you say so.
That reminds me, Franca. When are you going to be through with your cosmetology training?
Oh, my dear. In 2 months' time.
2 months?
Yes.
So very soon you will start producing your own products.
I can't wait. I need to start working because I need to see myself through school. And my younger sister, you know my father, he said a girl child going through school is a waste of resources.
Waste of resources?
Yes.
I'm so surprised at your father's ignorance. So in this modern age, people still think backwards. See, let me tell you, my mother still regrets ever treating my sister Augusta like that. So your father should learn from it.
My dear, that man, he will not learn.
Leave him. Myself and my younger sister will go through school. Thank God my mother is supporting us. And he will regret his action.
Please don't mind him. Don't mind me.
I will not mind that man. Don't mind him.
Babe, is everything okay?
Why'd you ask?
Your attitude. Your attitude towards me these days is questionable.
Stephen, I have a lot going through my head. A lot.
Wow. A lot. Is that why you stopped picking my calls? Or returning my messages?
Stephen, I don't know how to tell you this. But whatever I'm going to say to you, it's for your own good. You have to stay away from me. I mean, from now.
What?
Sister Melissa, why would you say that? Why do you want to put an end to the beautiful thing happening between you two? Steve is a good man. Why?
Melissa, come on. Talk to me. Who are you? Why are you behaving like you're under the influence of some instructions? Why are you making me believe like somebody's manipulating you?
You expect me to answer that?
Yes. I need you to answer that. I need you to talk to me. My worry is you keep saying, for my own good, who is against us?
Precious, let's go.
Come on,
Sister.
Let's go.
I think it's better he stays far away from me.
From your voice, you sound scared. What are you scared of?
Why should I be scared?
Melissa, you have a call.
Oh, Dr. Charles. Hello, doctor. I'm fine. Really? Okay, doctor, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. What's up? The doctor said all the tests that Precious did shows that the damages on her eyes are minor. He is 85% very accurate that she might regain back her sight.
Oh my God. Wow. Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
So I'll be able to see again?
Yes.
I will see again.
Yes.
I will see you.
Yes.
Yes, sister, I'm happy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So soon as you will not be needing this ugly stick.
But let me hold it for now, till the operation. Hey, thank
very
you.
happy for you guys.
Sister, thank you.
This is amazing.
Thank you. Hey, I'm happy. I'm happy. God bless you.
I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Boss, I think Melissa is falling in love. I overheard a conversation with that same guy yesterday.
I know. I see everything. And trust me, I am on top of it. Let's wait and see if the devil that is leading her is going to guide her when I come for her.
You're welcome. And I want to say thank you very much. Thank you for honoring my invitation.
You should be thanking my sister, not me. Anyways, how are you?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I'm doing great. And you? Yeah, I'm super excited to see you again.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Yeah, Melissa, I miss you so much. Yes, I miss you. Please, I want you to come back to me. Come come back. I want us to be together. Please.
I'm back now. I'm sorry if I hurt you with my actions. All that is in the past now. I'm here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I think the most important thing is you're back. And welcome back. Oh, yeah. So what will you drink?
Anything you give me, okay.
Alright.
Yes, boss. I have the pictures. No. She has no knowledge I took the pictures. Alright, boss. I'll meet you up right away. Okay.
What happened? My mother is not. Your mother. Let's go. She's at home.
Where did you get these pictures from?
Melissa, you are guilty of every allegation leveled against you. Here is my judgment. You have less than 72 hours to get the hell out of this house with your sister.
Confirm. The boss lady have spoken.
Boss, I'm sorry. Please have mercy. I don't have anywhere to go to. You guys are the only family I have.
I'm sorry, Melissa. But you have broken that bond that keeps us together as one family. We are no longer family.
You know I don't like you.
Chinyere, thank you so much for everything. My daughter told me that you are the one that took care of the medical bills. You are indeed a good friend. Thank you so much.
Stop. You are my friend. If I didn't take care of you, who would have done that? I'm your friend. I'm so happy that you're perfectly okay now.
Thank you, Auntie. God bless you. Mazibuka, thank you too for all your help.
It's alright. I'm happy you are recovering. There's time for everything. Because Citadema, no the variable. It's well.
I've been able to forgive myself.
Mama,
for all the wrong I did to Augusta.
Alice, stop all these things now.
I'm supposed to be her mother. I'm supposed to love and care for her like a mother she never had.
Mama, please stop this.
I wish you would forgive me.
It's okay.
Money is open.
Okay,
Boss, can I have a word with you?
I'm listening.
I just want to plead for you to give me more time to enable me get a place of my own.
Gabriella pleaded already on your behalf.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, Gabriela, thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
It means I'm staying, right?
I have a mission for you.
Okay.
This mission involves a lot of money. Enough for you to pay your sister's hospital bills and get a big house and even get a car for yourself. Gabriela, the envelope. Your target and every detail you need to carry it out.
What is this?
Your target. Lucia will see to it that it is well carried out. What is it?
Boss, please. This mission must be aborted.
Are you joking? Melissa, this mission cannot be aborted. Listen and listen carefully. You have 12 hours to make up your mind. Else, your sister will die. And your husband's case will be revisited by the law enforcement agency. I believe you know what that means. You killed him. You will be charged for murder and sentenced to life imprisonment. The choice is yours to make. And now.
This is blackmail.
Is that what you call it? I call it keeping my business.
No. I can't afford to lose my sister again and spend the rest of my life in jail. I can never go to jail because of the death of that old fool Ugochukwu. Never. And Steve? No. He is innocent of all this. I must do what is needed of me.
Hello, Steve. Where are you? I would like to see you, perhaps spend some time with you. You won't be around? Okay, how about we see, let's say 4 p.m. You still won't be around. But bear in mind that you might see me later today. Don't be surprised.
Sister, what are you and your friends up to?
Nothing. Why did you ask?
I heard one of them telling others to kill you the moment you kill your target. What does that mean?
Where did you hear that from?
I overheard them discussing about it while I was in the bathroom. They didn't know I was there. Whatever you do with those girls, I want you to be careful. They are not to be trusted.
Yes, sir. Everything is still standing as planned. Yes, sir. I have instructed the boys to be on alert. and they are standing by, sir. Yes, boss. I will keep you updated, boss. Thank you, boss.
You can go now. The target is in room 104. What happened?
I can't do it.
I thought as much. Hello, boss. She couldn't do it. Alright.
Lucia is not picking up. I think something has gone wrong. Something is wrong. Gabriela.
Yes, boss.
You know what to do.
Yes, boss.
Let's go.
Oh, yep, sir. I am calling you to give you the recent update, sir. Yes, sir. One of my boys just called me now to inform me that there was a gunshot down the street. Yes, sir. Yeah, we are going towards that direction, sir. Alright, thank you, sir. I'll keep you updated, sir. Okay, sir.
Precious! 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 Who did it? Precious! Precious! Who did it? Precious! 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 Precious, who did this? Who did it to you?
Hold it right there. Not so fast.
Who are you?
I am the shadow. Yeah,
you were picked from the gutters, brushed up by boss, and given you identity. How do you show appreciation? You went against the rules of the game.
How do you know all this? Who the fuck are you?
I am the master game planner. I go around hotels looking for new arrivals with cash, get their details, and present them to boss for execution. The picture of you and that stupid fool, Steve, I was behind it. I covered and buried your old miserable husband's body, whom you killed. All this boss did for you. What did you do? And why?
Now I understand. Look around you. Precious. Precious. Precious, no! No! Precious. Precious.
Surprised to see me?
Gabriela snitched on me, right?
Where is she?
My greatest regret was ever trusting you and Gabriela.
No. Your greatest regret is killing my only sister. You taught me the game, right? I am beating you to it!
Here is the police! You have been surrounded! So you're one of the girls?
How did you find me here? What are you doing here?
I am a detective. Your so-called friends were involved in a deadly crime. I was sent to investigate them and apprehend them. Melissa, I can help you. Drop the gun. For whatever you do or say now will be used against you in the law court. All you need to do is to follow my instruction.
My name is not Melissa. And everything ends right now.
Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome. The most important thing now is you're not a free woman. So you're free. Anyways, let's go. Get into the car.
Where are you taking me to?
When you get there, you find out yourself. Okay? So let's go.
What are you trying to do? What do you want to do to me?
The mission was not for you to survive. I'm sorry. I'm not following orders. And the order is to kill you here and now.
I should have followed my instinct. I shouldn't have followed you here. Before you kill me, I would like to know who sent you.
Sister, Precious, is this you? You are alive. You can see me. Yes, I can see you. You can see me! You can see me! You are so beautiful. You can see me. I can see you. You can. I thought you were dead. I thought you were dead. You saw me dead, right? Yes. She helped me. Oh. Yeah. Yes, Augusta. I'm really glad that you made it out of prison. Please forgive me for everything. I beg you. Forgive me. Who is there? Who is there? Huh? What is it? Come with me. Where? What is it? Huh? This way, this way, this way, this way. This way. Where? This way. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please call my sister. I beg of you, please.
Listen to me. You are not going to die. I promise you, nothing will happen to you. I already put supplement that will make you pass out for 3 hours.
I don't want to drink, please. I don't want to drink it. No, no, no. After that, what next?
Making Jesse think that I killed you. Huh? Pretending to be dead. Don't worry, in less than 3 hours you regain your consciousness. Please.
If I die from there, what will happen?
You're not going to die. Please, just drink it and trust me.
I don't want to drink. Let's run away together. Just leave this place, please.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You're wasting time. Drink this and let...
I don't want to drink. No, no, Dick. I don't want to drink.
Nothing is going to happen to you. I promise.
Are you sure?
Yes, I promise. Trust me. You're not going to die. Just drink up, please. Hurry up. Drink. Drink some more. Drink, drink, drink. Drink all of it.
Gabriella, you did a good job. Get rid of this trash.
Yes, boss. Hello? Hello, Steve? Steve, please. Please come here as soon as possible. Jessie just lost her mind. She just killed our informant, Annie. Yes. Please come quick, please.
That was how I saved Precious.
Thereafter, we took her to the hospital for her eye surgery.
Thank you so much. God bless the both of you for saving my sister's life.
You're welcome.
Thank you. One more thing.
Mommy! Promise! Promise! My daughter. Oh my God. You are lying. Oh.
Alice, are you sick again? I thought you were perfectly recovered.
I don't know.
Eh?
Papa, what do we do? Should we take her to the hospital?
Hey, which hospital? Let's take her to the nearby hospital. Mukeba. Lift her up. Lift her.
Mama, let's go.
Is you getting what?
Augusta.
Augusta. Augusta. Augusta is not here. You say Augusta?
Forgive.
Okay, forgive you. Wait.
Forgive.
We will tell Augusta to forgive. I lift her up. Let's go to the hospital.
Mama, let's go to the hospital. Mama.
What is it?
Papa.
Hey!
Papa, what is happening here?
Hey!
Papa!
Alicia,
Papa!
Alicia,